When it comes to making investments, there are a lot of options to choose from. Some of the most popular choices are LEAPS, stocks, and stock options. All three have their pros and cons, so it can be difficult to decide which is the better one for you. In this video, we will compare LEAPS, stocks, and stock options to help you decide which is the better investment. We discuss the differences between the investments, the pros and cons of each investment, which investment is better for beginners, and which investing vehicle is best for you. Real quick, guys, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below, as well as comment and let me know your thoughts on the video. Also, be sure and grab the free Simplified Options Strategies Trading Guide. I'll put a link down below. It covers the different strategies, setups, how and when to put them on, max profits, and trade management. It's a great guide to have by your side when trading options. So let's get started. When it comes to LEAPS, stocks, and stock options, there are a few key differences that you should be aware of. LEAPS are long-term investment vehicles, typically lasting 1 to 2 years or more. Stocks, on the other hand, can be held for any length of time. Options have expiration dates, and many people trade around 30 to 45 days out. Another key difference is that LEAPS are typically less expensive than stocks outright. Let's take a look at Bank of America on the Tastyworks Trade platform. I'll put a link down below and you can get a free offer when you open up an account. It's the best options trading platform out there right now. It currently costs $3,622 to buy 100 shares of Bank of America. To buy the LEAPS option and control the same 100 shares of BAC, the cost is $1,705, which is less than half the cost. Stock options have an expiration date and must be closed or exercised by that date. A key advantage of stock options is that we can sell them in high volatility environments. By doing this, we can act as the insurance agent versus the client and collect premiums every month. Or we can act as the casino versus the gambler, collecting the house rake. They say the house always wins, and it's similar with selling options if you do it correctly. We can make money regardless of the market direction, and we don't have to be 100% correct every time. Each investment vehicle has its own set of pros and cons. When it comes to LEAPS, the main pro is that they require lower upfront cost, as we already discussed. They use less buying power, or BPR. The main con is that once you're inside of 1 year days to expiration, you'll want to roll out to the next year if you want to keep that long position. This normally isn't a big deal since time decay starts to ramp up inside of 1 year, so it's very low cost to roll back out to 2 years to allow your position to move up if needed. The main benefit of stocks is that some stocks pay a dividend. This is additional income. They also offer a longer time frame to make a profit. The downside is that they require more capital upfront to purchase. Stock options have the advantage of being less expensive than stocks and LEAPS. We can also sell them and collect premiums. The main con is that they have an expiration date and must be closed or exercised by that date. Which investment is better for beginners? When it comes to investing, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. If you're a beginner, we recommend starting with buying stocks through your company 401k if you have one, or on your own if you don't. The next step is options, including LEAPS, which are options. Which investing vehicle is best for you? The best investment vehicle for you depends on your goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. If you're already investing conservatively in a stock account for retirement, that's great. This is the first step. If you're looking for another way to grow a separate account on the side faster, or even as a side business, then you may want to consider stock options, including LEAPS. Ultimately, the best investment vehicle is the one that aligns with your goals and meets your needs. All right, guys, please hit the like and subscribe buttons below, as well as comment and let me know your thoughts if you have any questions about LEAPS, stocks, or options. Also, be sure and grab the free Simplified Options Strategies Trading Guide. I'll put a link down below. It covers the different option strategies, setups, how and when to put them on, max profit, and trade management. It's a great guide to have by your side when trading options. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.